Alright, hey guys, and we're back. This is our final crunch week for getting our cosplays together because the con that we're going to is this weekend. So we gotta hurry up and wrap up all of this stuff. I'm gonna kind of show you what I have going on right now and what we're gonna be doing today. Get into it. Let's get into it.
And today we're working on Mavis from Hotel Transylvania. As you can see, we have this wig here. I did do a short cutting the bangs to this wig. What I want to do now is cut to the bottom of this wig. I don't like how high this flares up. I do like the flare, but I just want it to be a little bit shorter to be a little more accurate to the character. I also don't like how it looks when I put it on. It kind of bunches up with the way that it flares out. So I have this theory that if I cut it a little shorter, it won't bunch as much. So let's go ahead and do that now. And of course, we're watching Hotel Transylvania to keep ourselves motivated. So let's jump into it. We got our first cut here. As you can see, that's the length we're going for. And we're just going to do this all the way around. And we're going to try to keep that guideline all the way through. See, I got a little braver towards the end here, but I figured I'd cut it all off and shape it later. This is the overall length we're going for, and we're just going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So we're pretty brave by the time we get to the other half here. And we're just going all in, cutting big chunks out. And now we're going to go in and kind of thin things out at the bottom, make things a little textured. And I'm just going to keep hacking away until I'm satisfied with how it looks. And of course, some final touches. And there you have it. That is our wig. I actually like how this wig came out a lot. I tried it on, but I don't want to show you guys quite yet. You're going to have to wait until the con video.
I also still have to hem the sleeves on my Mavis costume, so I'm going to do that today as well.
Jumping to the dress, I did try it on to see where I needed to hem the sleeves. I did record that, but I'm going to show that part at the end. Again, I don't want to reveal the full costume just yet. Before I pin it, I just want to make sure that the sleeves are the same length, which they are, so I went ahead and pinned it inside out. That way, when I sew it, the seam is on the inside, not the outside. I took out the accessories drawer, that way I can wrap the sleeve around the sewing machine like so, and that way it's a little easier for me to run it through. It'll just kind of go on its own. Keeping the fabric organized definitely makes things easier and helps the fabric glide through the sewing machine a lot easier and with minimal effort. As the fabric runs through the machine, I reach underneath to pull the fabric forward, that way it runs through the machine a lot smoother. Once I finish this sleeve, I'm going to go ahead and hem the other sleeve. And finally, the dress is done. We have the hemmed sleeves with the seams on the inside, which is where they're supposed to be, which is great. And that is about it. And right before we go, I'm going to show you the try-on. This is how it looked before I hemmed the sleeves. I got the tights on Amazon. The dress I actually thrifted years and years and years ago. And I am wearing a long sleeve sheer crop top from Spencer's underneath.
And of course, for our vampire fangs, I have these. I got these on Amazon. The reason I picked these in particular was because they have 3 different sizes in there. So I'm kind of leaning towards either the 13mm or the 15mm size. I'm not quite sure, but I feel like that's something I'll figure out on the day of. And as for makeup, I have these lashes that I'm actually really excited to use for this costume, and I also got these on Amazon. If you missed my last video, I did a Amazon cosplay haul. If you guys are interested, I will link that at the end of this video in case you guys want to see what other cosplay stuff I got for this convention. So that should be it for this vlog. Next vlog should be the con, so keep a lookout for that. I hope you guys are enjoying the cosplay videos. If you are, give it a like. Let me know that you guys are enjoying this. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.